Hello team, this is Venkat again. Okay, we are in the process of installing secondary site server. In the before video we have discussed about how to join the domain for this secondary site server. We have joined the domain successfully. Now the next step is we need to extend the schema before we are installing the IIS and all. We just need to do that. Okay, so to extend the schema, actually every time you no need to do the same process for each and every Sccm site server. Okay, I have explained how to extend the schema and what is the purpose that we are extending it. I have explained it very clearly in this part 4, this one. Okay, I will share this link to in the description. You please go through with this. So because this is very important, why the schema need to be extended. Okay, and when you are extending this active directory schema, what will happen, what attributes will be joined to the active directory. Okay, that is very important to understand. Here I have explained it very clearly. Okay, please go through with that. Okay, so now since I have explained everything how to do that, now here what we are going to discuss is, like, let me show you one thing. If you notice here, one group I have created Sccm servers. Okay, the reason, the purpose why I have created Sccm servers, I can tell you one simple thing, like you can add the secondary site server to the Sccm server, so automatically the active directory schema will be extended whenever you are going to install the secondary site server. Okay, that is a very simple thing, but here you need to understand why we are adding these to Sccm servers. Okay, if you go to system management, okay, you just click it. See here as a SMS site VK1 and MP attributes are added, right? Because when we are installing the primary site, automatically it will be added here. I have explained everything why it is like that. Go to the properties, under security. Okay, here I added the entire group Sccm servers. Okay, instead of I'm adding the primary site server, okay, in the very initial step I have created the group, and I delegate the control to the group. I delegated the control to the group, which is Sccm servers. So whenever you are creating new site or new secondary site or new another primary site, no need to delegate the permissions again to that server, because here you have created a group and you delegate the control to this group. So whatever the next time, whatever the site or whatever the computer you are creating for the secondary site or primary site, you just join that into this group, then obviously the same permission will be applied to the same machine as well. So I hope this is giving some clarity, but if please let me know if I am missing anything. Okay, so let me add the secondary site server, server to Sccm servers. Click Sccm, check names, Sccm servers. Okay, click OK, apply. Okay, so obviously whatever the permissions are delegated to that Sccm servers group, everything will be applied to the computers which are the part in this Sccm servers. So since I have added here already, so we can say that yes, the active directory schema is will be extended to the secondary site server also. Okay, now let's move to the next step, which is IIS installation on your secondary site server. Okay, now we need to install the IIS service, and we need to give the admin rights to the primary site. Okay, we will see that steps in the next video. Please don't forget to watch this one. This is very important to understand why the Active Directory schema extension is required. Okay, if you go through with this, let me show you something. Okay, how to delegate the control also. I just provide the information. Yeah, this one very important. See here, when you do that Active Directory schema extension, then automatically all these attributes will be added to the Active Directory. All SMS, Sccm related attributes will be added to the Active Directory. That is the purpose actually. Okay, I'll just go through with this video one more time. It will be very benefit to you. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.